Hello, my name is Batul Fatma, and this is my partner Mike. And
Hello, my name is Mike. Okay.
yeah, and we are working on this capstone project of Module-2 JavaScript, and we have been working on it for the past couple of days and as a team. So what is the Movie Maze app? Movie Maze app is basically a website which shows different movies and also provide details about them, like the description, ratings, and different other details. It also allows us to like the movies and also comment about it. So for the technology part, we have used HTML, CSS, BootStrap in the front end, and for the back end, we have used JavaScript. We have also used Webpack and Jest for other purposes.
Okay, let's move to the key features part. Our website uses two different APIs. One is TV Maze API and the second one is Involvement API. TV Maze API is fetching the movies, the cards that are being shown, the movies that are being shown on our homepage. And the Involvement API is responsible for getting the likes, getting the comments and storing the comments to API. The likes and comments data is stored and fetched by Involvement API, and the movies are being fetched by our other API that we used, that is called TV Maze API. So we are using basically two APIs. Okay, let's move forward. This is the sneak peek of our project that we have built together. We will explain that in a little bit in detail.
Okay.
Okay. Here, this is our website. We have deployed it using GitHub pages. This is the homepage of our website. You can see there are movies. Okay, first of all, let me share the API functions with you. These movies are being fetched by TV Maze API that we just talked about earlier. And the Involvement API is responsible for likes. When a user clicks on the likes button, it updates the like and it fetches the likes for you back to the page again. So these are two APIs that we are working with. And the movies counter is being shown in the nav bar. As you can see, 21, there are 21 movies in the homepage section. This is our footer. So let me take you to my code so that you can have a better idea what we have built. So these are the linter setup. This is our README, as you can see, with so many sections according to the template. Okay, these are authors, future features that we can add, acknowledgement, license, everything. Okay, let's talk about code. Here is our source folder. We are managing all the modules with Webpack. These are modules. We have created separate modules for separate tasks. As you can see, when a user clicks on the like button, this code is responsible for getting the like to the API. When a user clicks on get like button, the likes are being updated and these are being fetched back to the user interface by this function. So we have followed ES6 syntax for the website. These are our modules. Okay. This is our test folder. As you can see, we have used two tests, and Jest is the method that we have used. This folder is of the assets, and this is our main HTML. This is the main entry point index.js, and this is our style sheet that we have used for styling of the website. We have used BootStrap in our website for the main styling, but this is a little bit of CSS. Okay.
Okay, so for the comment part here, you can see we have a button of comment, and this is basically fetching the comments using the API and also showing the counter of the comment, as well as it is also showing a form to add the comment. So I can add my name and I can add a comment, nice movie maybe. And if I press comment, you can see that it is submitting the comment with the help of the API that we talked about, and it is also displaying it on this section. So, and also when I click on the comment button, you can see that it's giving us a very good information about the movie and the genres and the language and different data. So this all data is being fetched using the TP Maze API. And this comment part is being done using the second API, which is basically our interaction API. Okay, so let me show you the code. So again, Mike did explain all the structure. So I'm going to go through the my functions that I created. So in the here you can see I have a pop-up data, which is basically creating a modal, which you just saw in the interface. And also it is calling the API. It is patching the comments from the API involvement API. And it is also, making the modal and inserting the data into it. And the other file is add comment, where I'm again hitting the API and posting the data into it. And for the display comment, I'm just creating using DOM to create basically the counter and the diff for showing the comments fetched from the API.